You know Madrazo's place? Head there.
Ah, my friend. You know, with these Armenian gangsters threatening to fuck this up, I was hoping Ralph would send you. What can I say?
Takes a little bit of forward thinking. They need to get some cash money to a politician overseas, just to help overlook some of Madrazo's business ventures, you understand? So they stashed the bribe inside of a piece of art. Now Madrazo, he's asked if he can provide some protection, just make sure it gets from his ranch to the next leg of its journey. The better condition the cargo, the more cash you and I are gonna get. So make sure it gets there in one piece. This is where we part ways, boss. Not forever, just enough for this job. You're with Madrazo's new driver now, so bye. Love you. Oh, hey. How's it going?
Hey, you know you can jump on with me if you like, or just follow behind. Whatever you prefer. Okay, let's go. You know, I told my mom I got a job with a very important businessman in LS. She's very proud. Very proud. Love you, Mama. If you need me to stop at any point, just message me. I hope we have a smooth journey, huh? Please, God, please. Ah, shit! Mr. Madrazo warned me about this. Hold on. I'm gonna get back on the right road. They're coming for us!
Come on! Something good to say!
It might get a little bumpy! Watch out!
Don't mess with us!
If Mr. Madrazo asks, can you give me a good review? Ah, shit, here they come.
Motherfucker!
That's what you get, motherfuckers! Those motherfuckers! Oh god, be as good as do this! Phew! Okay. Yes! Hang tight. We're almost there. Oh my god, it's over. Okay. Phew. Come to me. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Fuck, fuck, fuck! They're coming from over there.
Come on, bitch!
Yeah, you better stand down, bitches.
Let's go!
I saw that shot. That was crazy. Yeah. You shithead. There. Look there. Oh shit. Fuck. Man, just make it easy for me. Shot, man. My friend's gonna fuck you. Shit! Shit! Fuck!
Shit! They got backup!
I'm all out. Shoot! Come on! No
You
way!
picked the wrong fucking driver! I think that's it. I owe you one.
I was just informed that you had some, minor disruption. But of course, I knew you could deal with it. The next leg of the journey will hopefully be less eventful. Well done, my friend.